Good morning, guys. So the moment of truth for all of us has come. We are going to Mussoorie from Delhi. I'm very excited, very pumped up. I'm with three of my friends. We are heading towards Mussoorie. Good morning, good morning. So Sandeep is riding his Royal Enfield Classic 350. Abhay sir, who is on the phone, is riding FZ. Ayush, he's riding his FZS. And last but not the least, this is my beast. This is FZ version 2.0. Yeah, I'm extremely pumped up. So let's jump into it. That very first feeling when you first take off, wow, it's amazing. So guys, we have finally met. We five of us, right? Sandeep, Ayush, Abhay sir, and Rakesh, and obviously me. So now we are heading to Mussoorie. So let's go. So finally we left our main spot where all five of us gathered in front of ABS College. ABESIT if I'm not wrong, correctly. Now, from Dhalakua, we have covered 20 plus kilometers. So 300 plus kilometers to go more. Wow. I'm really feeling excited and pumped up. So let's hit the road. Time now is 4:45 a.m. and as of now it's going good. So far, so good. See guys, you have to be very cautious because this particular section of road has got loads and loads of potholes. So you have to be very careful while taking any turn or even speeding up. So yeah, just a precautionary advice. What a beautiful morning indeed. So guys, it's 5:25 in the morning and we are about to enter the Meerut city. Actually we would be bypassing the same, yeah. So the temperature has drastically decreased. I can clearly feel the chill inside my body, even though I'm wearing my full gear, but I'm damn sure that the moment we'll hit the mountains, excuse me, it's gonna be more chiller.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's
So guys, from this point, Meerut is around approximately 17 kilometers and Haridwar is 157 kilometers. So Rakesh, how's going on as of now? I think it's too late. Even though we pulled very good in the initial 100 kilometers, but I think still as compared to our previous journey, we are little late. But your blinkers are looking extremely good here. So guys, this is our very first toll plaza. I think a Western UP toll plaza if I'm not wrong. Maybe, yeah. It's Western UP Toll Plaza. And again, you know what great thing I feel? किसी बाइक वाले को टोल नहीं देना पड़ता. What a great feeling, man. So Haridwar as of now is 129 kilometers. So I think most probably Haridwar is gonna be our first pit stop, but you never know because we haven't had breakfast और थोड़ा चाय का भी लग रहा है कि थोड़ा चाय भी पीनी चाहिए. So he is Rakesh and he is riding his Thunderbird 350 and I must say he is a very great rider. अब दिल्ली की गरम गरम गर्मी is gone and we are welcomed by this cool breeze. So guys, we have entered slow call entered into the Muzaffarnagar periphery. Just look at the view, man. This is what every biker needs. One just need to step out of his comfort zone and you will get this. You know guys, last time I went through the same way when I went to Rishikesh. And these are my friends giving me some uncommon gestures. Wanna race, buddy? No. So guys, I just wanted to share this thing with you. After my first stint to Rishikesh, at this time I'm feeling much more confident and I'm enjoying as far, no doubt. So it's like the more you ride, the more you experience the highways, the more what you can say again, experience you gain. The sun is looking absolutely fantastic. I know camera is not able to do the justice, but still. ज्ञान गुरु सागर जय कपिल सागर. I'm feeling at the top of my energy. So guys, this is our first pit stop after Bhalakua. So guys, पीट और बम कैसा है? गधेला चल रहा है? सर ये हमारे बीस्ट है. 3 FZ, 1-2 RE जिसमें एक थंडरबर्ड है और एक है हमारी क्लासिक. सर आप तो एकदम बॉमर लग रहे हो. So guys, we had a great tea over here, and we are heading towards the destination. क्या हो गया भाई? अबे sir, what's your experience so far? As of now, good? Double good? चलो, खींचो. Yo. So guys, as of now we have covered 150 plus kilometers from Dhola Kuan, and as of now it's still going good. After having that tea, it was little sweet, but yeah, manageable. It was just enough to give us the required kick. So yeah. So most probably our next stop, and I think most probably the final stop, the break I say, would be Roorkee city. We are not gonna stop in between except for fuel and the bio brakes. It feels great when you get the company of other bikers, no doubt. The Royal Enfield group. So guys, finally we have entered Uttarakhand, and two of my fellow riders are chatting and don't know what are you doing, man. This is the best part of riding, that increases by each and every day. See guys, you have to be very very cautious, as you can see clearly without any indication and without any indicator. People over here are just ramming into the corners like anything. So guys, we have entered the Roorkee. As you can clearly see from the highway, we have entered into this single two line. You know, I'm into the single way, two line traffic. So guys, from the Roorkee cantonment area, we took a left turn towards the Dehradun. So things are so far so good. So guys, from this point, I'm little tired because of this one line two-way thing and traffic thing, yeah. And people jumping from any side, seriously. So from this point approximately Dehradun is around 83 kilometers. 83 kilometers or maybe less, yeah. Everything is going fine, except that the wind blast has really made me very tired. But seriously, driving on this kind of road is very very serious and dangerous, because you never know at what point of moment anybody can jump in front of you and you can't do anything but to just hard brake. Seriously, I'm not able to go beyond 60 or 65, and this thing is making me fatigue more. You know, guys, 10 to 15 minutes before I was literally feeling worn out. ऐसा लग रहा था कि साला जान ही निकल गई शरीर से, but you know, all of a sudden I'm feeling again back in energy. I don't know how. I think maybe this is the mechanism of body to protect itself. So we left Dhola Kuan at Delhi around 3:40 a.m. and now it's 9 a.m. So roughly 5.5, 6 hours of journey with 2 breaks in total. So far so good. Har Har Mahadev! So guys, here comes the beautiful thing, the mountains, and the mountains. What a spectacular view. Now I'm literally pumped up even more than before. But I have to be very, very cautious. See, साला कहीं से कुछ भी आ जाता है, specifically in sharp turns पे बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है. And for a noob rider, भैया देख के चलाना. But as of now, just enjoy the beauty.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
भैया ट्विस्टीज में जो मजा आ रहा है ना, वो साला प्लेन में चला के नहीं आ रहा. These curves are awesome. And the bandars are also awesome. Bandars. Oh my god. This seems to be in broken condition, if I'm not wrong. I think one thing I've come to realize that I use this cliche, if I'm not wrong, very much. Don't you agree?
Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
So basically I was talking about these twisties. They are mammoth size twisties. Massive. They are so sharp that I think some of them are even 360-degree turn. Obviously they can't be 360 or else you would be left in the same place. Speed thrills but kills. Yeah, got it. I hope my battery retains that much of power so that I can cover rest of my journey up till Dehradun and the hotel check-in. I'm not sure and I'm a little frightful that my battery might get end up. But बोलते हैं ना, उम्मीद पर ही दुनिया कायम है. So hope for the best. Now I have to downshift to the third gear and then keep continuing.
Let's go back to when trees were sown. Kids across the lane.
I can clearly see things are getting smaller and smaller. See those curvy. Oh my god. I just got into the blender. I was about to get into the blender. So at that particular time I was showing you those curvy roads from which we came. Then everything opened. So again we stopped here at this particular point to click some selfies and to stretch a bit. As of now things are going good, but yeah, temperature as expected is not that chill. So I was expecting a greater dip in temperature over here, but temperature is a little, I can say it's hot, not that cold. I'm extremely sweaty inside my riding jacket. Maybe this can be the reason that I'm feeling that much temperate. I hope you can see the roll trail over that mountain. We would be going through that road. Mussoorie is still 11 kilometers. ऐसा लग रहा है कि रास्ता खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. One shift down and up. भैया अंधा मोड़ है, गति पे नियंत्रण रखो, ये बोर्ड कह रहा है. And I'm also in the favor of it.
So friends over here are having a gala time and are testing.
Keep it up, CK. Nice body built up in a night.
So bikes are looking in great perfect condition. The 350 Thunderbird FCS, the Royal Enfield. Again the FCS 16, the older version, and my Beast version 2.0. And our destination is around 20 kilometers away from this particular point. So hope so we make it timely over there and check in the hotel first.
Now we have come up to a substantial height. So I just waved a few of my friends that I just made over a cup of a tea. They were from Germany and they were nice people.
The birds have just begun.
So they had come from Rishikesh on their Royal Enfield.
Always take a step.
So I can't have a good chat with them.
For the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when things were
So guys, we have stayed at this hotel and the name of the hotel is Savera Hotel at Mussoorie. So let me just give you a brief, you can say, tour of my room. So let's start with the bathroom section. It's okay, decent, not that great, but it's okay. So this is the bedding, comfortable bedding, and we have got the TV and just the basic amenities. And yeah, this is me. So guys, this is the night view of Dehradun. The glittering lights that you can see in front of you is the Dehradun city. Yeah, and the moon and the lights.
kids across the lane. Savannah.